Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Vero Engineering Synapse Generation 2 here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? Vero Synapse Generation 2 hand rub satin natural micarta. This guy comes in a pouch with of course a certificate of authenticity and the cloth right there. And the knife, of course. This is an interesting bolster lock by Vero Engineering. Really cool one, guys. I like this one. This is not a cheap one because in this configuration, table price is going to be $530, so not like super cheap. Overall length is going to be 18.5 centimeters with 7.5 centimeters in cutting edge, 8 centimeters in blade length, and 10.5 centimeters handle length. Overall in inches is going to be 7.6 inches with a 3-inch long cutting edge and roughly 4 inches long handle. This is an interesting bolster lock titanium micarta. You can swap the scales. You've got a titanium kind of like dip carry pocket clip, not so much because I mean, you see, the pants are gonna like having this knife sticking out that much outside of your pocket. But I like it. Hidden hardware, titanium backspacer, stone washed. It's nicely done, matching, of course, the bolsters here. You've got a hand rub satin blade, which is just gorgeous, nicely done with the swedge. You've got the logo here, absolutely unobtrusive and fantastic option. Nice jimping going on. You've got even the option of doing a spidey flick, which is just fantastic like that, and because you have this cutout here on the back only. It's a numbered edition. It's going to be number right over here, and overall I mean it's a pretty cool knife, guys. Feels good in the hand, but I have a little bit of hotspot going on over here, and not so much area here for the disengagement on the lock bar. I mean, not too crazy, but yeah, you need to jam your thumb kind of like that. Let's just quickly check out the weight on this guy. It's not that heavy. There's no internal milling going on the scales because this overall guy is going to be weighing in at 3.4 ounces, so not too bad. I mean, it's pretty well contained, but it's at the end of the day, it's kind of like a small size knife. So it's really good looking. The sound also of this guy, it's very pleasant, nice and unique sound. Feels good in the hand, just a couple hot spots here and there, but hey, if you want to know more about this guy, please check out my full-length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.